What's up, y'all? Today we're going to be going through a tutorial on how to do the rack effect in Premiere Pro. So the rack effect can work in different kinds of areas in terms of transitioning or maybe even adding text to your videos. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through what that looks like in Premiere Pro. Cue video now. So you're going to jump on Premiere Pro, and before I start the tutorial, I'll go ahead and show you what an example looks like with the rack effect. So here you can see text over some blurred video, and it just transitions nicely into the next scene. So starting off the tutorial, you'll go ahead and make your way on over to the left hand bottom corner and open up the effects tab. Here you'll see different kinds of transition and effect pieces, but you're going to click the video effects. Then you're going to click blur and sharpen, and after that you're going to click the Gaussian blur. This is the one that you're going to use, and it's going to give you that rack effect focus look. So you drag that over to your video or to your sequence, and you'll see an FX logo denoted with a purple outline, and that just tells you that the effect is added on. So then you're going to go ahead and move on over to the left upper hand corner and go ahead and click effect controls. Then you're going to click on the video just so you can see the settings pop up in that browser. You're going to head on over to where it says Gaussian blur, and this is the drop down which gives you the different settings that you can alter in order to give you that effect. So now you can see there's no blurriness on there right now, and that's where we're going to focus, but you're going to go ahead and click that toggle animation button, which looks like a stopwatch. You're going to click it, and that's going to create a keynote on your sequence. We're going to go ahead and change the blurriness on that keynote to, let's say, 100. And immediately you see a blurriness effect on the video on the right hand corner. So I'm going to go ahead and bump that up to 200 because that's the value that I want. And after that, you'll start to note that there's some black edges on the corners. So go ahead and click the repeat edge panels button, and that should get rid of those black lines. So right now you can see that the whole video is blurred out, but we're going to want it to go back into focus. So what you're going to do is click that diamond symbol right there, creating a keyframe, and we're going to change the value there to 0. Basically what that's going to do is decrease the blurriness over time of that video to give you that nice rack focus effect. And we're going to go ahead and make a title screen. So we'll go ahead and start a title screen and just add whatever text that you want to add there. I'm going to increase the text size just so it's more visible on the screen. And I'll just put a placeholder for now. Insert text. I can't spell. And you can change the font if you want. I use the Universal LT because it looks nice and crisp. Go ahead and exit out of that, and then we're going to drag our title on over to our sequence. And just to get a smooth transition in and out of the title screen, we're going to go ahead and add default transitions to both, and that can be done by right clicking on both corners of the title. We'll go ahead and play it, and there you can see how the text looks over a blur effect or the rack effect. And that pretty much wraps up our tutorial. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you next time.